Today you are going to learn how to create an account on YouTube. The first step you need is to have a Google account. So type in google.com as shown here in the bar. If you don't have a Google account, you create one. There will be a little button on the right side for sign in or sign up. You click and select create account. Oh, okay. And then you create your account. If you create your Gmail the way you want, whether professional or personal, that's up to you. Once created, log in here and we'll go to YouTube, okay? You'll have an option here on YouTube in the top right corner. Let me remove this. Let me log out here. You'll have the same thing here. On YouTube, sign in, connect. So we're going to connect. Choose our account here. Enter your password. And if you have two-factor authentication, which I recommend for greater security, it will appear on your phone to authorize, okay? Once authorized, we'll enter YouTube Studio, right? And then you'll make your settings, okay? It's very important to have everything already planned out, like the niche or not. You can configure this later, but it's good to set it up. The first thing we're going to do is configure here in settings, okay? So once in settings, you'll set the currency you want to see the earnings in. Mine is set to dollars here. In the channel here, you'll put your place of residence, okay? So you can put United States, Brazil, England, the place where you live, okay? It won't interfere with the earnings at all, okay? What will affect the earnings is the language of your video. Once you choose here, you can enter the keywords for people to find your channel. So let's suppose your channel is about finance. You will put keywords here that are related to finance to help find your channel. If you talk about cryptocurrency, put Bitcoin, put cryptocurrency, and so on, all right? Here in advanced settings, you will indicate that it is not content for children. Unless you make content for children, the rest can remain the same. And here in manageability, you follow the steps here, okay? Complete the steps here. It's super simple. About 5 minutes, you can do all of this, all right? So by doing these steps here, like taking a photo of your document, whatever is showing up here to do, then we'll go through a basic overview, okay? If you want to pre-configure here, the uploads you will make to the platform, you can also do that. Welcome, okay? I like to configure this right away, all right? Monetization doesn't need any changes. Categories here also don't need any changes. Permissions, and also don't need any changes, no, okay? Here in moderation, you also don't need to change anything. In the creation section, you also don't need to change anything. And down here, you also don't need to change anything. So basically, your content is already, your channel is already pre-configured for you to be able to upload videos to the platform. You can save here. Once saved, you will click here, see, on the little picture here, which will probably have a letter there. So you click here, and here you come to the part where you can configure your channel more broadly, like the images, okay? So the little banner here that will be displayed when people visit your channel, and this little picture here too, right, which is the photo that will appear if you comment, or when people are watching your video, it will appear to them. So put it here according to your channel, okay? Both here. Down here you can write here the name of your channel as you want, okay? According to the niche you choose, or put your name. There's no problem at all. Your email there, right? The contact email, okay? You can do this on Canva or with artificial intelligence. If this video gets a lot of views, I'll show how to do it. This was done with artificial intelligence. Okay? It looks really cool. All right? Logo there on ideogram. You can see here, look, ideogram. Okay? You can come here to ideogram and create your logo here, which will look really nice. Okay? So, you can also make the banner here. All right? It depends on what you want. Here on the side, you don't need to change anything if you have other channels. So once you've made both the banner and the logo here, your channel is already set up, okay? Up to this point, everything's fine. Up to this point, it's all good. We managed to understand all of this, right? Let's go back to the previous part, Shane, okay? Let's go back to the previous part. I'll close these tabs here, and here you can set the language you want, for your video to be where you want your video to be posted, okay? So it depends on what you set in the categories here in upload defaults, okay? So here you have the advanced settings. Here in video language, what you set here as the language is where your video will be posted. So, well, I want my video to be posted where people speak Brazilian Portuguese, as it is set here. Then you set it to Brazilian Portuguese. Well, I want my video to be posted in countries where they speak Spanish. So you come here to Spanish, you set it to Spanish, okay? Video language, Spanish, all right? Oh, I want it to be posted where they speak English or French. Here, look, French. I come here to French, set it to French, okay? No, I want it to be posted where they speak English. So, Canada, United States. Then you will set it here, all language in English. Here is the category of your channel, all right? You don't necessarily have to choose something here, but it's nice to put here the niche of your channel, okay? Games, film, animation, entertainment, education, comedy, vehicles, and automobiles, all right? It's nice for you to put pets and animals. It's nice to set it so YouTube can see if what you're posting is really that and recommend it to people who watch that, send it to your audience, okay? Here you have the option for automatic dubbing, which I recommend enabling so it can be viewed in other places. Once you do this, let me just set it to Portuguese here, because this channel is one where I create content in Portuguese. All right? And then once you set it up here, you can save and close your channel. It will be 100% configured for you to start uploading videos for your audience. Then you will study what are the best times for you to post anyway. Then you will do your research and post the video according to your channel's niche. All right? We're in this together. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like so we can make a series about how much we need to start making money. There are some channels on YouTube. This is one of the channels I have. I can very well come here to analytics, right? Come here for the entire period, right? See here how much I've already earned here. A total of $8,000. It's a channel that I don't post on as frequently anymore, all right? But it already has 5 million views. It's a little extra money and extra income. So I think it's very important for us to have multiple sources of income, all right? Multiple channels, you can do that, all right? We're in this together. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your like so we can compile the videos. We need to start monetizing. I'm out.